If your device is suddenly stuck and your screen is blank no matter which button you press, here's the perfect video for you, as we will show you the steps on how to fix it. Now, the quickest solution is to remove the external devices and then restart your PC by pressing the shutdown option. Now, even if no external devices are connected, try restarting your device and see if that helps. Now, if your computer turns back on, you should do the steps so you won't encounter the same issues. So first, you should configure your mouse and keyboard settings by opening Device Manager, click Keyboard section, double-click on the HID keyboard device driver, navigate to the Power Management tab, check this checkbox, then press OK. Now this should allow you to wake your device by pressing any key. Now you have to do the same steps for the mouse settings. Next up, restore the default power settings by opening Control Panel, select Power Options, click Change Plan Settings option, and click Restore Default Settings for this plan option, and then follow the on-screen steps. Lastly, run the Windows built-in troubleshooter by opening Control Panel, select Troubleshooting option, and then click the System and Security option, click the Power Troubleshooter, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Now that's how to fix a Windows device that is stuck in hibernate or sleep mode. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.